In this lesson, we're going to be going over using packages. Now, you can think of packages as somewhat similar to zip files for Unity. So, for example, I could take these scenes right here, I can export them out and use them as a package within another project. Or I can export out a single file like our character, and then I can use that in another project as well as a standalone prefab. Now, we do have some packages that we can import. If you followed along with the install lesson, you will have some standard assets already available. So we can find those underneath the Assets tab, Assets, Import Package, and we can either import a custom package, like a package that someone else created, or maybe one that you created yourself. You can also import the standard assets packages that we installed already. So let's import the characters package. Now, when you import a package, you're going to see this little dialog box that will show you all the files that you're trying to import. So in this case, we have a number of different files. This is actually quite a large package. So we have all sorts of different folders. We have things like audio clips, we have prefabs, we have scripts, we have materials, so on and so forth. Now, if you don't want to import everything within this package, you can deselect it manually. So maybe I don't want to say import the rollerball section, and everything underneath it has been deselected. Now, if you want to select all or none, you can do that down below. So maybe I just want to import a specific file, so I'll click on none, and then select maybe just this one audio clip. In my case, I'm going to select everything, so I'm going to click on all, and then I'll click on import. Now, once that imports, you'll see a new folder appear. So we have a standard assets folder, and if we open it up, you'll see all the different folders within there as well. Now, let's navigate down to the third person character, and within there, you're going to find a prefabs folder. Open that up, and here you'll find two different prefabs. We have an AI third person and a regular third person. So we're going to drag in the second one, just drag it into the scene view. You can also drag this into the hierarchy as well. And in my case, I just went with the scene view. So this is the character that was created by Unity. We have a couple of things in here. We have an animator, which allows us to control animations, a rigid body, a capsule collider, and a few different scripts for controlling this character itself. Now, if we hit play, we should be able to control this character by using the WASD keys. We can also jump with the spacebar. And there we go. Now, this is a great package because this allows us to easily prototype things within our game. If you don't have a character that is animated, but you want to test out a game with an animated character, you can just import this package and use it as is. You can do the same thing with the other packages that come with Unity. So if you go back up to Assets, Import Package, we then import things like vehicles, effects, environments, so on and so forth. So packages can be quite useful for packaging up different types of files that you want to use in other Unity projects. If you go to the Asset Store, as you can see right here, we do have a tab for the Asset Store. You're going to find all sorts of different packages of this kind that you can either purchase yourself or you can download for free. But these are going to come in the same manner as how we imported a package that comes with Unity.